Welcome to my video series. If you didn't know, I live in the south of England and I decided I needed to go and see all my friends on a nice big loop. So this video series features wet weather, breakdowns, some drone shots, some not very good drone shots, and some group ride chaos. Alright, just a little walk around. There's the bike. There you go. BMW 650gs Sertao. I did get that question last time because I didn't include it in any of the video information, or I didn't say what bike it was on. But yes, G650gs Sertao. Nothing here, not a lot. Tent, sleeping bag, all that stuff. Can't remember what's in there. More stuff, not a lot. And my backpack, but my backpack basically just has camera stuff in it, the drone. That's about it. Right, so I've done about 400, just under 400 miles today. And on some of there was this horrible running noise in the front. I opened it up, and some of these, like the chain links on the inside, have come off and come away. So the actual like housing for them, or whatever. You see, there's a loose one there. See that? So that's loose. Like the actual like, I don't know what you call that, the outer roller or whatever it is. Like that's loose. You see that? That's loose, you see, that's proper loose. That's missing completely, I think. That's loose, that's still there. Some of them are there, some of them are not. The chain's still on. It's done all these miles today. But yeah, I'm just not, well, I've ordered parts to replace it. But my question is, will this give me another 450 miles before it breaks? Well, unfortunately not a lot I could do, so we decided to go for a meal down the pub. Unfortunately, my brother somehow got a puncture in his van, and it was one of them awkward drop systems, and it wouldn't release because the nut and everything had seized. Like over the years, the rust had just seized it, so it was like a 2-hour job just to change to the spare wheel. So what with my phone charger on the motorbike stopped working after 10 years, how dare it, the fact that I didn't carry the spare on me, which I normally do, I dropped my GoPro and broke the mounting arm, so I ended up having to buy a whole mounting kit. Luckily, J&S had one left in stock on the way, managed to find one. All on day one. Let's see how day two will be. Somehow, or something, got in. It's either been chewed up or disappeared. It's damaged my front sprocket pretty badly. So now it's just slapping. So it's just slapping on. See how chewed up that is. Okay, I just thought I'd tighten the chain up a bit more, see if it's from slapping, and hopefully this will be better now. I've done many miles today.